Like before joining CMTI, my confidence level was 0%. I was not having any confidence. When I joined CMTI, I'll be rating like 80%. I would like to suggest them to join for CMTI because it is a very good platform to learn.
Hi Navya,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
Fine, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
I'm good, Navya. So this is Aruna from Quality Department, Navya. I just want to take a feedback interview from your side. So before starting that, first of all, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you shall we start?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you introduce about yourself, your earlier studies, hometown, and presently what you're doing?
First of all, I thank you for giving this opportunity. As you know, my name Navya. I completed my engineering in C. Bairagoda Institute of Technology, specialized as a civil engineer, and with a percentage of 78%. And I did my 2C in Vidya Jyoti Pre-University College, and with a percentage of 73.16%. I did my schooling in Amajyoti High School with a percentage of 83.16%, and our final year major project was an experimental investigation of polypropylene fiber reinforcement concrete. We were a group of 4 members and we made it successful. Talking about technical skills, I'm good at manual testing, SQL, Java, and also Selenium. And I'm pursuing course of Prolance, and I completed like SketchUp, QS, QC, QA in CMTI. And talking about my strength, I'm dedicated and possess a leadership quality, and I'm continuous learner, and I'm passionate about what I do. And talking about my weakness, I'm straightforward and sometimes I'm detail oriented. Talking about my achievements, I'm a ball badminton player when I was in school. Talking about my hobbies, like cooking, dancing, and also playing shuttlecock. Talking about my interpersonal skills, good leadership management, and also time management.
Yeah, Navya, it's a very long introduction. It was good.
Thank you.
Yeah. So how did you get to know about CMTI, Navya?
I came to know about CMTI through my friend Wasim. He was pursuing a course in CMTI, and I was searching for the institute like CMTI. And when I contacted Wasim told everything about this CMTI. So I felt so I have to join for this interview for this institute. If I join, it will be a very great opportunity for me. So I have joined.
Okay. So what and all you learned here, Navya? Apart from your college syllabus, what was the new thing you like gained here?
In college, we were only good at technical skills. We was not having like practical skills. So when I joined for CMTI, I had learned both technical as well as practical. So like SketchUp, Prolance, and like AutoCAD, QS, everything. So once after completing the technical skills in CMTI, so we were going to the field and we were learning how to mark. We were learning how to marking everything. So when we're in college, we don't have much knowledge about like marketing everything. Like it helped me a lot, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Coming to your trainers, how was Natarajan sir and other trainers like while
So
teaching, and how was Ashok sir? So how was Ashok sir interview guidance and career guidance throughout this process?
talking about Netajan sir, the content was very excellent and nice balance of theory as well as the practical. So it taught us many things apart from technical things and practical things. It taught many things how to balance our life and how we have to be in our future, how we have to take like we learned many things from Netajan sir. Talking about Ashok sir taught a lot, many things, and but we was not knowing about that when we was in college. We were not knowing about that. When we joined for CMT, Ashok sir taught me lot of things, like uh, about the companies as well as how to crack the interviews, and he taught how we have to mail for someone, and he taught many things, and he taught communication skills also, everything.
Okay. So coming to your site visits and all, Navya, whether it was useful to you?
Yeah, ma'am, it was very useful. Like
Okay.
we went for Asian Paint. It was very useful for us, ma'am. We were having 0% knowledge about painting. When we went for Asian Paint, they taught many things more.
Okay. Coming to your confidence level. So before joining CMTI and after joining CMTI, any changes in that?
Ma'am, like before joining CMTI, my confidence level was 0%. I was not having any confidence. When I joined CMTI, I'll give rating like 80% because no one will be perfect, ma'am. So I'll give 80%. That's all.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So what about CMTI app and all, Navya? Whether it was useful to you?
Yeah, ma'am, it was very useful. So when we were, if in emergency case, if you take any holiday, so we can go through CMTI app and we can learn many things because every recorded sections will be in the CMTI app. So through that, we have learned many things, ma'am. We did not miss even a single day. Like if we were absent, also we can learn through CMTI.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. What about CMTI staffs and all? How was their coordination? Whether it may be Deepa ma'am, Shweta ma'am. So how was their coordination for your placements as well as the courses?
Ma'am, talking about Shweta ma'am, she helped him. She helped a lot for placements. And talking about Deepa ma'am, ma'am also helped me many. She also helped me in many ways. And talking about Aruna ma'am, she was like she helped me. Helped me in many ways, and she was like she was understanding us. If we have any emergency case, so she was understanding and she was providing us leave, everything. So I thank three of them, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Navya?
Ma'am, I would like to suggest them to join for CMTI because it is a very good platform to learn, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Navya. Thank you so
Thank you
much for
so
your
much, ma'am.
feedback. And I wish all the best for your future. And once again, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much, Navya.
Thank you, ma'am.